Hello, in this AutoCAD tutorial I will show you how to add and edit text efficiently. Wherever you are using single-line text or multi-line text, you will learn the best practices for creating clear, professional annotations in your drawing. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a solid understanding of how to work with text in AutoCAD like a pro. Without further ado, let's dive into our tutorial. So here we have this drawing from one of our previous tutorials on how to draw a floor plan inside of AutoCAD. If you are interested, I will leave a link in the description below. Here we want to name the spaces accordingly, such as bathroom, hall, and bedroom. For that purpose, to type text, we go all the way up here in the ribbon. In the annotation tab, we will find text. Click on this arrow and you see we have two types of text, the single line text and the multi-line text. Let's start with the single line text. Click on it and find the location where we want to type our text. Click, and as you see, specify height. We could either specify it randomly by clicking, or we could type 0.2, enter. This was the height of the text. Specify rotation angle of text. In what of angle we want to type the text. I want it to be perfectly horizontal, so 0, enter. And let's type bedroom on our keyboard. Once you have finished typing, click anywhere empty and enter to exit. So, on how to change the text's color and height later on after we have typing it, we will come back to it. But for now, let's move on to the multi-line text, and I will tell you what the difference between the single line text and the multi-line text is. So far, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. So, for the multi-line text, we go to the same location, but this time instead of single line, we will use multi-line text. Click on it, and now drag your mouse, click and drag. Vertical is not important, as anytime we will hit enter, it will create a new row, but horizontal, it matters. So click and let's type vacation house, ground floor plan. Then enter, let's type area 150 square meter. So I want vacation house ground floor plan on the same row. To do so, click and drag to change the width of our text box. For the multi-line text, we have more options to adjust it. We can simply select it and change its style from standard to theme. And as you see, the text style changes, or to any other style that you would have loaded. I want to keep it at standard. I could change the text height here, for example, 0.25, enter. Sorry, before that I have to select the text and then 0.25, enter. And as you see, the size of the text changes. To make up for it, please drag the box to make it wider and have your text aligned the way you want on the same row. We could also change its color here. We can change it to bold. And we could also change its justification or paragraph type. Once we are done with it, hit this tick, close text editor, and so we have written our multi-line text. Later on, if you want to still adjust it, double click on it and select your text, and the text editor will pop up again. For the bedroom, if you want to change its height, select it and type PR, enter for properties. And as you see here, we have color. We would also have here height. For example, 0.25, it makes the text bigger. If you have any questions for me, let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any suggestions or feedback on me personally as a tutor, I'll be more than happy to read them in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Do not miss out our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you soon.